Good afternoon, Kevin here with Where RV Staying. We're about to do an unboxing from Super Clean. I'll put my knife away. So it came with a letter. Some directions on how to dilute some of the chemicals there. Information on their floor absorbent. An awesome hat. So got a bottle of Super Clean foaming Tough Task Clean Degreaser. Dissolves grease super easy, super fast. How awesome. Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. Foams away grime and brake dust. Super easy, super fast. Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. Dissolves grease, super easy, super fast. Looks like this might be like a refill bottle. Super Clean Degreaser in a can. Wow. That's gonna come in handy. Got a little sprayer. Super Clean Floor Absorber. Absorbs spills super easy, super fast. This thing is massive. We'd like to thank our friends over at Super Clean for sending these products out for us to try. We can't wait to try them. I just wish it was a bit warmer. So come spring, we're going to do some massive cleaning. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We also will add a link to Super Clean to get your own Super Clean products. Until next time, happy trails!